It was all holiday cheers as the Huggin' Initiative hosted their first annual holiday brunch at Youth Services Inc homeless shelter in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Chef Steph G prepared an exquisite buffet with all the trimmings, sponsored by Twice the Spice Caterers.
Hey, it's me, Chef Steph G. The Huggin' Initiative is hosting their first annual holiday brunch at Youth Services Inc homeless teen shelter in Philadelphia, PA. Today we have some fabulous cuisine for the youth. We have our delicious greens here, which is kale and collards. No meat because we got to keep it healthy because they are eating cheesy mac. We have herb roasted red potatoes with organic chicken, honey sausage. We also have some fried chicken that is going with our waffle station. You know we have to have chicken and waffles, and they have the option to use maple syrup or regular syrup. Down here we have our Chef Steph G eggs any way you like it. So I'll be doing omelets over easy, scrambled with cheese, mushrooms, spinach, however you like it. That's how I'm going to do it. As well as some delicious dessert. We have some apple pie, homemade sweet potato pie, and some yogurt and berry parfaits, because you know we try to keep it healthy for the youth as they indulge through the holidays.
Youth Services Inc is a nonprofit organization that has provided immediate shelter and support services to Philadelphia's children, youth, and families for over 65 years.
I believe it was very important for the Huggin' Initiatives to come spend time with our youth, because during their unfortunate situations, it shows that people do care for them. So just having them come and cater to them and just showing that they're here for them and they're not alone. The food was so excellent. It was delicious. We truly appreciate them coming.
The Huggin' Initiative is a humanitarian relief effort spearheaded by Chef Steph G, founder and CEO of Twice the Spice Caterers Incorporated. The finest chefs and cooks nationwide are railed into a city in need to prepare and serve hot, healthy meals following disaster and homelessness.
Happy holidays from Chef Steph G, Twice the Spice Caterers, and the team of the Huggin' Initiative. The Huggin' Initiative would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday.